Hello, from Indonesia.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the opening ceremony of the 55th QubicaAMF Bowling World Cup.
Bapak Ibu yang kami hormati, selamat siang, salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Selamat datang di acara 55th QubicaAMF Bowling World Cup 2019.
This is the second occasion that the World Cup has taken place in Indonesia. The previous occasion was 39 years ago, when the tournament was played in Jakarta with 35 countries participating. We are delighted to say that this year we are welcoming national champions from 76 countries from all around the world. Our champions back in 1980 were the Philippines in the men's and Canada in the women's division. It's great to see that both countries are represented again this year. Give a big warm welcome to our previous champions who are back with us this year. Aumi Aguirre from the Dominican Republic, a two-time champion in 2010 and 2011. Well done, Aumi. Lynn Tabora of the Philippines was champion in 2017. And our defending champion from Australia, Sam Cooley.
Baik, kami juga mengucapkan selamat datang kepada para pemenang yang tahun ini ikut berkompetisi di Palembang. Mereka adalah Miss Aumi Guerra dari Dominican Republic, juara 2010-2011. Christian Lane Tabora dari Filipina, 2015 pemenang World Cup Bowling. Dan pemenang tahun lalu Mr. Sam Cooley dari Australia.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to meet this year's athletes.
Australia,
Wales,
Azores,
Venezuela,
Bahamas,
Uzbekistan,
Bahrain,
USA,
Bangladesh,
Ukraine,
Belarus,
Turkmenistan,
Belgium,
Tunisia,
Bermuda,
Switzerland,
Brazil,
Spain,
Bulgaria,
South Africa,
Canada,
Slovenia,
Catalonia,
Slovakia,
Costa Rica,
Singapore,
Croatia,
Scotland,
Czech Republic,
Saudi Arabia,
Dominican Republic,
Russia,
El Salvador,
Romania,
England,
Reunion,
Estonia,
Portugal,
Ethiopia,
Poland,
Finland,
the Philippines,
French,
Peru,
Georgia,
Pakistan,
Germany,
Oman,
Guam,
Norway,
Hong Kong,
Northern Ireland,
Hungary,
North Macedonia,
India,
Nigeria,
Iran,
Nicaragua,
Iraq,
New Zealand,
Ireland,
New Caledonia,
Italy,
Netherlands,
Jersey,
Mexico,
Kazakhstan,
Mauritius,
Korea,
Malta,
Kuwait,
Malaysia,
Latvia, Lithuania. As a host country, please welcome Bapak Ibu dari negara host country. Kita sambut bersama Indonesia.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you please be upstanding for the national anthem of Indonesia?
Honourable Ministers, Mr Governor, distinguished guests, athletes, officials, and all of the supporters here this afternoon, good afternoon to you. And my name is Roger Creamer. I'm the Director of International Relations and Sports Development, and listening to that being repeated so many times. And as all of you know, those that were with us last night, I'm also known for very short speeches and the fact that I embarrassingly found out last night that I can't dance. On behalf of QubicaAMF and the men and women in over 50 countries who develop, manufacture and market the world's best bowling product, it's my honour and my privilege to welcome you all to the 55th edition of the Bowling World Cup. I have visited wonderful Indonesia on several occasions before, and this is in fact my second visit to Palembang, and what a city this is. What superb facilities we have just surrounding us here in this magnificent Jakabaring sports city. I've been to countless World Cups, and each is different. The different countries, different people, different customs. What makes it a constant, though, is the welcome we have for each of our hosts, the hard work that is put in by many of the organising committees around the world, and of course the friendliness of you guys, the competitors. I'd like to thank His Honour Mr. Herman Dera, the Governor of South Sumatra, for his support and the welcome reception he gave us at our residence yesterday, an evening that gave us an opportunity to look at some of the taste of South Sumatran hospitality and indeed your culture. I'd like to thank Mrs. Persha Liampuru, the President of the Indonesian Bowling Federation, the Chairman of the local organising committee, and her colleagues for the hard work that's been put in over the months to get themselves ready for this event. I'd like to make a special mention for the welcome we received from the moment we touched foot on Indonesian soil. I can't imagine how difficult it was to make the arrangements that were made at both Jakarta and Palembang airports to greet you as you came into the country. I know there's a lot more to do because we have an event going on this week, and I know they're going to be up to it just the way they have been up to everything they've tackled so far. I think just briefly a mention that hasn't been done so far of the local sponsors. We know how just important they have to be. This year we have 75 countries participating with the best bowlers around the world. Each of you is already a champion in your own country. And this year we have 3 athletes, as Bernard's already said, that have won this event in the past. Australian Sam Cooley won it last year in Las Vegas. And could Sam become the first man to win back-to-back championships? Not if the other 75 countries have something to do with it, I'm sure. Aimee from the Dominican Republic already has back-to-back winners, winning in France in 2010 and then in South Africa in 2011. And we also have Christiana Lynn Tabora from the Philippines, who won just 2 years ago in Mexico. And 2 new countries this time, never seen before on a Bowling World Cup, Turkmenistan and Nigeria. Welcome to the Bowling World Cup family. The QubicaAMF Bowling World Cup is one of our sport's greatest traditions and its most prestigious event. One that is one of the reasons I'm sure that many of you want to come back year after year and want to win it. We have here all the ingredients for a wonderful event. We have the top athletes out here. We have an amazing facility to do it and a great organization. It's my honor to invite you to participate and enjoy the week. Good luck and good bowling.